Prompt engineering is the secret language of generative AI, the art and science of communicating with intelligent systems. It's how you turn ideas into action, curiosity into creation, and questions into results. Whether you're asking ChatGPT to write a business plan, designing artwork in Midjourney, or creating videos with AI tools, the quality of what you get always depends on the quality of what you ask. This is why prompt engineering matters. At its core, prompt engineering is about precision and intention. AI models don't think or feel, they predict. They respond based on patterns learned from vast amounts of data. So when you type a prompt, you're not just making a request, you're shaping the direction of the model's imagination. A vague prompt like "write about AI" produces generic output. But a structured, thoughtful prompt like "write a 200-word story explaining AI to a 10-year-old using a playful tone" gives you something clear, engaging, and purpose-driven. This skill, knowing how to guide AI with words, has become one of the most valuable in the modern digital world. You don't need to know how to code, you just need to learn how to think in structured ways. Prompt engineering turns you into a creative director for artificial intelligence. It's the difference between asking a machine to help and knowing how to make it help exactly the way you want. Think of a prompt as a conversation starter. You're not commanding the AI, you're collaborating with it. The best prompters understand that communication with AI is iterative. You refine, clarify, and evolve your request until you reach the perfect result. This back-and-forth process is similar to how designers brainstorm, writers revise, or musicians experiment. The AI becomes your creative partner, amplifying your ideas instead of replacing them. But why does this matter so much right now? Because AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a daily tool used by millions. Businesses use it to write marketing content and analyze customer data. Educators use it to personalize learning, creators use it to brainstorm, script, and design. Yet, the gap between mediocre and excellent AI output lies entirely in how we prompt it. The people who master prompting will lead the next wave of digital innovation, regardless of their technical background. Prompt engineering also builds a bridge between humans and machines. It teaches us to express our goals, constraints, and creativity more clearly. In doing so, it sharpens critical thinking and communication skills that go far beyond technology. Crafting prompts requires clarity of thought, empathy for the intended audience, and an understanding of context, the same qualities that define great teachers, leaders, and storytellers. Moreover, prompt engineering helps make AI ethical and responsible. By designing thoughtful prompts, we can avoid biased or misleading outputs. We can ensure that AI systems generate inclusive, fair, and fact-based information. The more skilled users become at prompting, the more balanced and transparent AI interactions will be. In many ways, prompt engineering is like literacy for the AI age. Just as learning to write unlocked human creativity centuries ago, learning to prompt unlocks creativity in the age of machines. It empowers everyone, not just programmers, to innovate, teach, and create at scale. The people who thrive in the future will be those who know how to talk to AI. They won't see it as a black box, but as a creative partner, one that extends human imagination into new territories. Prompt engineering matters because it gives us the keys to this partnership. It transforms technology from something we use into something we collaborate with. In short, prompt engineering is not just about better outputs. It's about better thinking, better creativity, and better communication. It's the foundation of how humans and machines will work together to shape the next chapter of progress.